see here, it's the methodology, how we approach to find the optimum maintenance for you. And you see on the top circle, there's a stress field between planned cost, performance, and risk. And of course, you try to balance all these factors in order to find the sweet point of optimized maintenance. We realized some benefits from that with our customer here. For example, reduction of unplanned downtime of 55%, or reduction of spare part cost, which is quite feasible when you see how we did that. And at the end, increase of the OEE. And this are not only figures from one of our customers, this can be your figures as well.